The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra official silicone case might not be the most exciting option on the market, but it delivers exactly what you'd expect from a first-party case. The smooth silicone material provides a satisfying grip without being too aggressive, making the already large phone easier to handle in daily use. I particularly appreciate the precise fit. It hugs every curve of the S25 Ultra perfectly, adding minimal bulk while still offering decent protection from everyday bumps and drops. Where this case really shines is in its color selection. While other manufacturers often stick to basic black and white options, Samsung offers a vibrant range of colors that lets you personalize your device. The colors are rich and well chosen, giving you the flexibility to either make a bold statement or keep things understated, depending on your style preferences. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Like most silicone cases, it tends to attract lint and dust, requiring occasional cleaning to maintain its sleek appearance. It also doesn't offer any extra functionality like a kickstand or magnetic compatibility that you might find in third-party alternatives. At its standard retail price, the official silicone case sits in the mid-range category. While you can find cheaper options, the perfect fit and premium feel justify the cost if you're looking for a reliable no-frills case. Just keep in mind that silicone cases typically show wear more quickly than harder materials, so you might need to replace it before your next phone upgrade.